everyone, how are you all? Yes, I hope you all are fit and healthy. I welcome you to my class UKG and I will teach you which subject? Yes, maths. This is our 18th lesson and I hope you have watched my last video and completed the given homework. Which homework I have given you? Do you remember? Number names 21 to 30 and circle the greater number. Okay, now first we do little prayer. All of you join your hands, close your eyes and repeat after me, okay? Enlighten our mind, O Lord, help us to practice what will be taught and to retain what we study so that we may become wiser and better. Amen. Do you remember what we did in the previous class? Yes, far and near, number names 21 to 30 and circle the greater number. Today we will learn about cube shape, number names 31 to 40, circle the smaller number. Now let's start with our first topic, that is cube shape, okay? Which shape is this? This is cube shape and see what is the shape of this toy? Cube shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cube has 6 sides, okay? Now see, which shape is this? Rectangle shape. Rectangle shape में हमने क्या बताया था? Rectangle has two equal opposite sides, okay? Opposite side जो होती है rectangle में वो equal होती है. This side and this side is equal. This side and this side is equal, okay? Now this one is square. In square, all the sides are equal. Okay. In square, all the sides are equal. Okay. But in cube, cube has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now, let's learn more about cube shape with Mr. Cubey the Ice Cube.
I'm Cubey the Ice Cube. I'm a cube, a 3D shape that's really cool. 6 sides, 8 points, and 12 edges and more. My height, width, and depth are equal, and I'm used all around the world by lots of people. I'm Cubey the Ice Cube, and I'm cool. Other things have my shape, and I think that is great. Dice can have the shape of a cube. A box can have the shape of a cube. Blocks can have the shape of a cube. An ice cube can have the shape of a cube. I'm Cubey the Ice Cube. I'm a cube, a 3D shape that's really cool. 6 sides, 8 points, and 12 edges and more. My height, width, and depth are equal, and I'm used all around the world by lots of people. I'm Cubey the Ice Cube, and I'm cool. A block of cheese can have the shape of a cube. A tissue box can have the shape of a cube. A present can have the shape of a cube. A Rubik's Cube has the shape of a cube. I'm Cubey the Ice Cube, and I'm cool.
I hope you understood cube shape. Now we will revise number names 31 to 40 once again. Okay. Now all of you please see. Read the heading number names 31 to 40. Okay. Now first write down 31. Okay, now tell me what is the spelling of 30? THIRTY. 30 and 1. ONE 1. Easy na? Now start. THIRTY. 30. One finger gap, okay? ONE 1. 31. 32. Again 30 spelling. THIRTY. 30. TWO 2. 32. First letter should be yes, capital, okay? 33. THIRTY. 30. THREE 3. 33. 34. THIRTY. 30. FOUR. Yes, 4. THIRTY. 30. FOUR 4. 34. Next one is 35. THIRTY. 30. FIVE 5. 35. Now 36. Okay. Again, what is the spelling of 30? THIRTY. 30. THIRTY. 30 and 6. What is the spelling of 6? SIX. 6. Okay. Now next number 37. THIRTY. 30 and what is the spelling of 7? SEVEN 7. SEVEN 7. 37. Now 38. THIRTY. 38. What is the spelling of 8? EIGHT 8. EIGHT 8. 38. Next one is 39. THIRTY. 39. NINE. 9. 39. Now 40. Okay. FORTY. आप 4 का स्पेलिंग क्या लिखते हो? FOUR लिखते हो ना? ओके. लेकिन 40 का क्या होता है? FORTY. 40. ओके. FOR इसमें से ये U गायब हो जाता है. ओके. और क्या रह जाता है? FOR बस TY. ओके. आपको ये याद रखना है. 4 का स्पेलिंग FOUR होता है. U गायब हो जाएगा 40 में और क्या रह जाएगा? FORTY. 40. FORTY. 40. Okay. Now we will do this work in our maths notebook. So all of you please take out your maths notebook and pencil. Now let's start our class work. Okay. Write down here 18th lesson CW classwork. And first topic is, yes, number names 31 to 40. Okay, now all of you leave this line, start from here, 31 31. Okay, so first we write 30 की spelling, then afterward 1 की. Okay, T H I R T Y 30. 1 finger gap, ऐसे 1 finger रखो आप और इसका अपना गैप छोड़ो. ओके, 1. एंड व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ 1? यस, ONE 1. ओके, 32. THIRTY 30. Again 1 finger gap, keep finger like this, leave space, then start from here, TWO 2. Okay, now next number 33. THIRTY 30. 1 finger gap, 3. 33. THREE 3. 33. 34. THIRTY 30. FOUR 34. Now write 35. पहले 30 का, then write down 5. Okay, THIRTY 30. FIVE 5. See, 1 finger gap. 36. THIRTY 30. And what is the spelling of 6? SIX 6. 37. THIRTY 1 finger gap, SEVEN 7. Okay, 38. THIRTY EIGHT 8. 38. 39. THIRTY 1 finger gap, NINE 9. 39. 40 40. FORTY 40. यू गायब हो गया इसमें से. ओके, FORTY 40. Okay, now our classwork is done. Same as it is, you have to do in homework. Write down HW homework. 18th lesson, heading number names 31 to 40. Okay, please do it beautiful and properly. Okay, children? Now we will do our last topic, that is circle the smaller number. Do you remember what we did in the previous class? Yes, we did circle the greater number. Greater, जो number सबसे बड़ा होता है. Okay, but now today we will do circle the smaller number. For example, please all of you look here. 43 and 66. Now tell me, which one is smaller number? 43 or 66? Yes, 43. So you have to circle 43, क्योंकि आज हमें क्या करना है, वी हैव टू सर्कल द स्मॉलर नंबर, जो नंबर छोटा है हमें उस पे सर्कल करना है. ओके, नाउ टेल मी 31 and 6, which number is smaller, 31 or 6? अगर आपके पास 6 बलून्स हैं और आपकी फ्रेंड के पास 31 बलून्स हैं, तो किसके पास स्मॉलर है, किसके पास लेस है? यस, तो 6 इज अ स्मॉलर नंबर, तो यू हैव टू सर्कल नंबर 6. वेरी गुड. नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज सी 32 and 46. Which one is smaller, 32 or 46? Yes, 32. Then you have to circle number 32. Now 26, 83. Which one is smaller number, 26 or 83? 26. आप आगे वाला नंबर देख लो, फर्स्ट नंबर 2 स्मॉलर है और 8 स्मॉलर है, 2 ना, तो मीन्स 26 इज स्मॉलर देन 83. ओके, नाउ 99, 49. Which one is smaller, 99 or 49? Yes, 49. Okay, now D, 83 or 78. Which one is smaller? Very good, 78. 65, 23. Which one is smaller? Yes, 23. 44, 95. Which one is smaller? Very good, 44. I hope you understood. Yes, we do lots of practice. Okay, don't worry. We will do lots of practice. Now all of you please take out your maths notebook. Okay, we will do circle the smaller number in our maths notebook. And please all of you write down date. जिस भी दिन आप काम कर रहे हो उस दिन का डेट इसमें लिख देना नोटबुक में. ओके, नाउ वी विल डू अवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज circle the smaller number. 18th lesson CW classwork. Now you have to find out smaller number and you have to do circle. Okay, 32, 46. Which one is smaller, 32 or 46? Yes, 32. Then you have to do circle here. Now next number 26, 83. Which one is smaller? Yes, 26. 26 टॉफीज कम होती हैं और 83 ज़्यादा होती हैं. ओके, सो 26 इज स्मॉलर नंबर. नाउ 99 and 49. Which one is smaller? Very good, 49. 83, 78. Which one is smaller? Yes, 78. इसमें भी आपको फर्स्ट नंबर देखना है. सी 8 एंड दिस वन इज 7. 7 पेंसिल्स लेस होंगी क्या 8 पेंसिल्स? यस, 7 लेस होंगी तो मीन 78 आपका स्मॉलर नंबर है 83 से. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 65, 23. विच वन इज स्मॉलर? यस, 23. 44 and 95. Which one is smaller? Very good, 44. Now our classwork is done. Now I am giving you homework. Okay, circle the smaller number 98 and 10. Which one is smaller? Yes, 10. So you have to circle number 10. Okay, जैसे मैम ने आपको क्लासवर्क कराया है as it is, आप होमवर्क भी वैसे ही करोगे. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, नाउ चिल्ड्रेन प्लीज चेक आउट योर मैथ्स बुक. लिटिल वर्क वी विल डू इन अवर मैथ्स बुक ऑल्सो. ओके, सो ओपन पेज नंबर 2727. सी, learn the shapes. Okay, which shape is this? Yes, circle shape. Which shape is this? Triangle shape. Which shape is this? Cylinder shape. Which shape is this? Square shape. Which shape is this? Rectangle shape. Which shape is this? Cube shape. Okay. Now all of you please turn the page. Now we will do matching. Okay. Now page number 28. Okay. Write down here 18th lesson CW classwork. Match the figures with their names. हमारे को शेप्स को मैच करना है उनके नेम से. ओके. नाउ विच शेप इज दिस? क्या बताया था मैम ने? टू अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल. वो कौन सा शेप होता है? यस, रेक्टेंगल. नाउ रीड द स्पेलिंग विद मी. CIRCLE, circle. So this is not a circle. CUBE, cube. This is also not a cube. RECTANGLE, rectangle. Okay, this is rectangle. Yes. RECTANGLE, rectangle. Okay. ब्रेक कर करके रीड करोगे तो स्पेलिंग लर्न हो जाएगी आपको. RECTANGLE, rectangle. ऐसे ब्रेक करके लर्न करना. Rectangle. Okay, rectangle. Now next one. Which shape is this? Triangle shape. 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Triangle. Now again read the spelling. CIRCLE, circle. This is a circle? No. CUBE, cube. No. Rectangle is already done. Okay. TRIANGLE, triangle. TRIANGLE, triangle. Okay, again break karo. TRIANGLE, angle, triangle. Triangle. Now again match. Triangle. Now all the sides are equal. Which shape is this? Yes, square shape. 4 sides are equal. This side, this side, this side, this side. जैसे हमारी बर्फी होती है. Okay. Now again read the spelling. CIRCLE, circle. This is circle? No. CUBE, cube. Cube? No. This one is over. Rectangle. Triangle is also over. SQUARE, square. SQUARE, square. Okay, this one is square. So match with square. Now again read the spelling. CIRCLE, circle. CIRCLE, circle. Now match with circle shape. Okay. Now next one. CUBE, cube. CUBE, cube. Okay. Now this one is cube. जैसे हमारा आइस क्यूब होती है, मैम ने आपको बताया था ना. This is cube. Now match with cube. Okay. Now all of you please see. Observe the shapes. Circle in shape. Football, sun, an orange, and this one is coin. All are, which shape is this? Circle shape. Now next box. Square in shape. This one is square shape. Your carom board, and this one is your slate. Both are in square shape. Okay. Now next one. Triangle in shape. This one is pyramid, and this one is traffic sign. Both, what is the shape? Yes, triangle shape. Okay, now see this page. Shape says triangle, triangle shape. What is the shape of this cone? Very good, triangle shape. And what is the shape of tent? See? Yes, triangle shape. And what is the shape of sandwich? Very good, triangle shape. Shape says square. See, square. What is the shape of photo frame? Very good, square. But beta, this one is not square shape. This one is not square shape, okay? So this one is wrong. This one is rectangle shape, okay? This one is wrong, okay? Now tell me, shape says circle. Circle shape. Football, 1 rupee coin and button. All the shape, circle shape, okay? Now, shapes, rectangle. Two opposite sides are equal, okay? What is the shape of this matchbox? Yes, rectangle. And this eraser, rectangle shape. And this lunchbox, rectangle shape. See? Okay, understood? Now turn the page. Now this one is your homework. Now you will do page number 30, 31 and page number 32 as homework in your maths book. I hope you understood all the topics. Okay. Now please, this is request from my side. Complete your classwork and homework properly in your maths notebook and book also. Thank you for watching this educational video. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye. We will meet again in our next class.